parked in the middle of the road. Look at that. All that room they could have parked in, but the fucking dickhead parks in the middle of the road. There's a motorbike there, parked in the cycle lane on the red routes. Van driver parked on the footpath there. Another one parked on the pavements. It's no surprise, crap parking outside Ellingham House. Usually is when I come down here. And we've got some crap parking there. Almost completely blocking the footpath. Look at that. Sat there playing with their phone. One parked on the pavement there. Oh, look at that. And there's a parking space just ahead there. There you go, plenty of room to park there. But he parks in the middle of the road. Oh, that's a fantastic bit of parking. Look at that. That's a clever place to park there, right in the middle of the road. Oh, that's an interesting place to park. What are they thinking? Wow, well that's an interesting bit of parking. There's a motorbike parked on the pavement there. Pavement there. And some crap parking from a cabbie. Scumbags parked his van on the pavement. And of course, crap parking outside Ellingham House. Pretty much every time I come through here. Motorbike parked on the pavement there. Got a bit of crap parking there, a bit of crap parking there, and a smartphone zombie trying to walk into me. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bloody hell, look at that. Motorbike parked on the pavement there. And there we have some crap parking. See, could have parked right there instead. There's some crap parking there on the pavement and right on the corner. And that's some crap parking there. And there we have a regular offender, a bit of crap parking. It's a nice change. Usually he puts the hood up, pretends he's broken down when he feels like parking there. Bloody hell, look at this. All the stupid places to park right in our bloody cycle path. Absolute bloody bellend. There we have some crap parking. And look at this. He could have parked right here, but he'd rather park on the fucking red route in a cycle lane. And there we have some crap parking. Look at that. Blocking the footpath and the Contraflow cycle lane. Bloody hell. And some more crap parking.